Hello, Gabriella.
Hi, Robert. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Listen, I want to go to the park with you.
Oh, that sounds nice. When do you want to go?
Is this afternoon good for you?
Oh, this afternoon? I'm sorry. I have to work.
No problem. How about tomorrow afternoon?
Tomorrow afternoon is perfect.
Great! For our picnic, I can bring a cake.
Wonderful. And I can bring some juice.
I can also bring a blanket to sit on.
Good idea. Should we make sandwiches too?
Yes, let's make sandwiches. I love sandwiches.
Okay, so tomorrow at the park at 3 p.m.
Perfect. I'm really happy.
Me too. It will be fun.
Oh my gosh, look at the time. I have to go now.
Okay, sure. Take care, Robert.
You too, Gabriella.
The traffic is bad. Go now so you are not late.
You're right. Bye, Gabriella.
Bye, Robert. See you tomorrow.
Where is Gabriella? It's 3:15. Why isn't she here? This is strange. Maybe she forgot? Okay, let's call her. I hope she is okay.
Hello?
Hi, Gabriella. It's me, Robert. Where are you? I'm a bit worried.
Oh, Robert, hi. I'm so sorry.
What happened?
I feel terrible. I have a really bad cold.
Oh no, that's too bad. I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm really sorry, but I can't come to the park today.
Please don't worry about the picnic at all. Do you need anything? Medicine? Soup?
No, thank you. You are very kind.
Is it okay if I come to visit you?
Yes, please come.
Great. Can I buy something for you on my way?
Thank you so much. Just you coming is enough.
Okay, I'm leaving my house now.
Okay, drive safely.
I will. See you soon.
See you.
Bye, Gabriella. Get some rest.
Bye, Robert. Thanks for calling.